Look at the way, Taka. Here's Indy.
Mummy, Oscar wants to hug with me.
Pretty girl. Indy, say hi to Mummy. Say hi to Mummy. She's too busy trying to bite my hand off.
You don't
Can you
bite
see her? No biting.
Can I come in?
That's her lovely coat. See your face. Good girl.
Good girl.
And here's Teddy.
There's Teddy.
Curly, curly boy.
Mum's there.
Tika. Someone's licking my toes. And here's Belle. Belle. And Taka is camouflaged, because I didn't think about this when I found a little bed in Pets at Home for them, which they're loving. There's Taka. That's Teddy wrestling with Indy.
Mate.
Is that Oscar over there? Yeah, that's Oscar. Trying to destroy my puppy pad. And here's Mocha. 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 Mocha.
Can I come in?
See your face, Mocha. See, Mummy. Here's a good boy. There's Mocha. Still beautiful.
Can I come
This
in?
is naughty. Indy. Indy. Trying to destroy everything. I've been out for the afternoon. So now being naughty is Oscar. Hello, Oscar. Hello, Oscar. Crazy puppy. Crazy puppy. Who's this?
Oscar likes the
This is
camera.
Taka. Have you come out? Here's Taka. Taka. Stop trying to eat my hand. I'm trying to get a shot of your face. Here's Taka. So all of you need to brush up on your techniques to stop them biting. Lots of firm nose. Here's Teddy. Teddy's got a cute coloured nose, look. Belle. Belle's my little princess. She's a good girl. It's Belle, look. It's for Jamie and Sam. Such a sweetheart she is. It's Oscar and Taka fighting. It's Tika. Teddy lying in the middle of it all as usual. And as per usual, Mocha is behind me chewing on my toes. Here he is, that naughty little monkey. I think they like the bed. Taka's made himself quite at home in there. Camouflaging. There we go. So this was especially for Hayley and Ian, who are getting Indy. And they wanted a little video where they could see her lovely face. So here you go again. There's sweetheart. They've all had cuddles since I got back from town. I'm hoping they're all going to settle down and have a nap. There's Taka. So he's still quite flat. Somebody in the bed. It's Tika. No, it's Belle. Belle's in the bed. Tika's being wrestled by Taka. Are you going to sleep? Are you going to sleep, huh? That's Mocha, by the way. Teddy's over here trying to bite his way through the bars. And Oscar's sitting beautifully behind me. He's growling at the light on my camera. And here's Max.
Hello. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Owen. The end.